In the beginning was the water, in the beginning was fire, and all was cold and all was hot. Storytelling, storytelling, story told, story not. Story new, story old. Here now, there then, I woke up at night and went to bed in my dreams. Closed eyes saw big things little love overpowers. Eat the wind, said the word. Swords, warped, weft, wasp, bottom to top. We're going to stop, start, green, red, mean, sad, blue, me, you. Inside the outside, birds swam round. Squares circled, dusk till dawn, halted therein, on and on. Hello, goodbye. Living just to die, bent bones can't break. Create a path you can't escape, no destiny, yes, fate. Luck of the draw, chosen mistake. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z, until he left. She right, matters meant, and the imagination of the past will be present gifts following a retrograde future. Rocket ship out of gas. In the end, none of this fucking matters.
Why did I make this chaotic, strung together installation? Why did I attach myself to it? Is the work speaking for itself? The process, all about process, all about the process. My art practice is the art process. The art process is my art practice. A figure, a person, on a bed, right? Person on a bed, me on a bed, someone on a bed, attached to a fabric painting, or it's a weaving, or it's a stretched wall hanging. And so the person is attached to it's like a two-dimensional fabric painting image, and then there are like units or section of the installation, if you look at it linearly, that it turns the fabric painting turns from a two-dimensional flat. I mean, it's still kind of a relief, but turns more three-dimensional as it protrudes from the wall or joins the adjacent wall, meets at the corner, kind of comes off the wall, and then it comes to over here, where there's another body that's attached, but this body is like in darkness, or in a dark clothing. The other figures, it's like, this is self-explanatory. I don't need to explain it. You saw it, right? But it's like the dreaming, imagining, ideation. The ideation, the actualization of an idea, the manifestation of an idea, putting the physical out there, putting the immaterial idea, cognitive thought, into physicality, materiality. The weaving thing itself and the installation is a combination of materials, the joining of materials that can be seen as opposite because they're different. Metal is hard. Fabric is soft. Plastic is man-made. Sticks are made from nature, natural. They're natural versus industrial. The systems that they come from the systems. They're ghosts. I think it's ghosts. The past life. It's like these two things, metal or plastic or something that's like a craft material, something that's an art material, something that's for houses, it's not even, so there's different like intentions behind the material already. It's all about combination, joining, combining, merging, connecting, dichotomies of materials, polarity, touch. Why? Now, this is the first year I've lived alone. The first time I've lived alone ever in my life. I'm 23, and I live alone in a basement apartment. I've had a little time to do it myself, and one thing that I value more now, I guess, is touch, connection, joining, merging of collaboration, of ideas with people, vibing, frequencies, amplifying, amplitude, dude. Thanks for watching. My name's AJ. Faring Toad. It's AJ's World. AJ times the world. AJ in collaboration with the worlds. AJ in collaboration with you. AJ it's you. Okay, send love to you out there. Sending love out there to you. Sending you love out there. Okay?